Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about something critical for India's future. How India can become better by focusing on key development areas, especially governance and the ease of doing business. So governance plays a vital role in a country's development. So for India to progress, decentralizing governance is essential. That means giving more power to responsibility to local levels, and so decisions are quick and tailored to local needs. This can greatly improve public goods sectors like health, education, and infrastructure. And another important step is to revisiting subsidies. It's crucial to ensure that these resources are used efficiently and reach those who genuinely need them. By trimming unnecessary subsidies, India can free up funds for critical investments. So, finally, improving the ease of doing business should be a top priority, and simplifying regulations, speeding up clearances, and offering digital solutions can encourage more private sector investment. This does not mean that more business, it means more jobs and innovations for everyone. But that's not all. For India to develop better, we need to work on multiple areas together. And the first thing is that economic and job growth. India must create quality jobs for its youth and invest in entrepreneurship. This will boost incomes and reduce poverty. The second thing is that improving connectivity, both roads and digital infrastructure, and upgrading urban planning can transform lives in both cities and villages. And not talking about education and health sector, quality education and healthcare are the backbone of human capital. Investing here ensures a healthier, more skilled workforce ready for future challenges. So now coming to manufacturing and technology, promoting sectors like electronics, automotive, and IT will make India a global industrial powerhouse. So, technology, especially automation and AI, must be leveraged for faster growth. And now come to the point of sustainability. So, green growth is a must, and expanding renewable energy, reducing emissions, and building climate resilience will secure India's future for sure. Now, coming to governance reforms that are there or that are important. So, transparent, accountable government systems encourage investments and empower citizens. So now for the sake of conclusion, we can say that in summary, India's future depends on working simultaneously in these crucial areas: decentralization, efficient resource use, a better business environment, and holistic development strategies will help India realize its full potential. So, if you talk about that, what should be our call to action? So, what do you think is the most important area for India's growth? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions like these. So, thanks for watching.